Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my escovitch sauce. So this is what I do to put on my fry fish. So here we have some vinegar, so I will be adding my vinegar to the pot. I have my stove on medium. Yes guys, see that steam and the niceness is really, it's really hot. You can smell the pepper and everything. So yes, it's ready now. Yes guys, and I also, along with this one that I'm steaming, I also have some fresh cut one that I just soak it in the vinegar just like that. I did not put it on the stove. So I have two different ones that I make. So yeah, that's how I do my sauce. I have the one that I put on the stove to steam, and I have the freshly cut one that I just soak in vinegar by itself. So I will be adding this to my jar right now and leave the lid open so it can cool, because you don't want to leave it in the pot and stuff like that. You know, some pot, yeah. So see it there, nice. This is gonna make my fish so delicious. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Live good, love God. Thank you for making it Pal's Island Kitchen. Have yourself a wonderful and blessed day.